gonna find some porcini?
Yeah.
At first we thought this was the elusive porcini, but noticed the brown markings on the stem, and also it doesn't have the white ring around the bottom of the cap. That's quite an obvious sign of a porcini. But this one is actually also edible, but at the time we didn't realise, so we had to just put it back. But now we know for the future. We found a potential edible bullet, so we're going to pick this one and then we can have a better look and closer look and see if it actually is. That stem is insane. So you can see we opened it up and it's all white inside. This is definitely a bullet, an edible bullet. It's a little bit old for us, so we're going to be leaving this one behind, but it's nice knowing that there's going to be plenty around here. So up until now we had mainly found just a few old porcini mushrooms, and that gave us a really good idea that we were in the right spot, so we just kept looking around. Like one or two of them had been a little bit nibbled and that was okay, but then we found the most incredible porcini mushroom we had ever seen. That is incredible.
Barely touched.
That's like the perfect sap. So I'm just going to start by cutting off the little muddy bits on the base of the stem. I'm just going to cut this mushroom open to see what it looks like inside, and you can see it's absolutely perfect. There have been no little insects in there and it's just basically untouched. You can see the shiny top of it is where it gets its nickname from, the penny bun. But yeah, I'm so happy with this mushroom. Now I'm just going to cut them up and we're going to saute these in a little bit of butter, garlic, and I'm going to add some tomatoes from the garden, some onions and a little bit of celeriac leaf. This is going to be really tasty, and I haven't even tried a porcini mushroom before, so this is a first for me, and I really hope that I do it justice with the way I cook it. You can see this is the end product, and it does look really good, and most of it is just foraged or from the garden, so it's basically free. The potatoes were also from the garden. Now we just need to get back out there and find us some more mushrooms. Thanks for watching.